Another quality listing by Sabella Realty. Beautiful 3-bedroom/2-bath condo. Private second floor end unit with 1,439 square feet of living under air. Has vaulted ceilings, beautiful tile floors throughout except the bedrooms, large walk-in closets that offers tons of storage. Kitchen has granite tops and cherry-tone cabinetry with a pantry and stainless appliances. Nice sized laundry room. Monthly fee of $356.78 includes community pool, fitness center and clubhouse room with kitchen available to residents for community gatherings and private parties. Great Fort Myers location near I-75, easy access to RSW Airport, Edison Mall and more. 10 minutes from water, close to Sanibel Island and beaches. Don't miss this amazing opportunity. Seller will consider all offers.